psychiatrist and all of that. So he put on this role. Yeah. What is harmful is the false personality. So this personality being this just a regular, just true personality or role personality is necessary, makes life easier, it's appropriate. That's how it works here. It doesn't stifle my essence. It doesn't hurt my essence. It doesn't. False personality usually stifles my authenticity, my enthusiasm, my it stifles it. It beats it up. Look at you, what you're doing, you know. So, yeah.
Another thing, Mihai, related to this, going back to that idea of persona and mask, and this connects with the earlier idea about consciousness and self-remembering being an outgrowth of essence. So think of it like this, Nicole. When you wear a mask, and we all wear different masks at different times, appropriately so, and sometimes inappropriately, but you put on a mask that corresponds with who you feel more genuinely you are, but now you have to operate in the world and go and shop, go to work, see people, interact, all that. So you wear a mask or a few masks that meet those situations, but they're a more true or genuine reflection of who's behind the mask. And so in a way, essence is who we are behind the mask. It's not a behavior. It's a present, it's a being. It's who we are in our simplest nature, our simplest being. And then false personality are these exaggerated masks, or they're very thick masks. And we put them on and they become a defense. Instead of becoming a utility, an appropriate mask, like a tool to wear, they become a defense mechanism or a weapon in relation to other people, or usually it's one of those two things, as defense, or we're weaponizing or defending ourselves. So, but think of it like that. The real you is behind the mask, always behind the mask. Now, sometimes it can manifest itself through some of the masks. They're more transparent. They're not too hard to put on. They're not complicated. And you need them, we need them to manifest. Yes, manifest in the bigger the world, the more we need an appropriate mask. Wouldn't it be interesting if we could just take off our masks? And I think that's what you all are doing a lot in your KI work, your shadow work and all that. You're really trying to take off the masks and just discover, do you know who? I know there's more to it than that from what I'm learning, but it would be wonderful. But you see, we can't, it's not so easily done just to take off the masks.